A good learner has a positive attitude to learning. Although they stand out in learning, they still put great efforts in it extremely to make themselves more excellent. I think they all have 4 points in common. First, they keep the thought that don't put off till tomorrow what may be done today in mind. Second, they always put the understanding into practice to make them have an effective way to learn. Third, they are passionate about learning. Once they put into it, they will concentrate all their energies on it. 4, they can realize the importance of doing exercise. They also do more sports regularly so that they can achieve an efficient way to learn. In my opinion, these seem to make sense, don't they?